How long will this all last, do you think?
Siguro as long as we feel the kilig in the magic while we see Aldab every day, siguro po hanggat hindi nawawala yan, this will continue on and on. We can say kung kailan, we can say kung anong time sa dadating kasi this happened unexpectedly din po eh. Kumbaga, we didn't expect this thing will happen. And as of this moment, yung mga nakukuhang records of Aldab is unexplainable. We don't know why. We've been breaking records of tweets. This is the world record, yung latest na po nangyari, 6.3 million tweets.
Wow!
Last Saturday. We don't know why. Yung ratings po na nakuha ng Inbulga because of Aldab is unexplainable as well. So siguro po yung panahon na yun nga po, this will end. I don't think that's anytime near po, that's anytime soon. Kasi as long as we feel the magic inside us, every one of us po, all the supporters of Aldab, this will continue.